Kobo is back with a whole bunch of new units that is really going to change the industry. Not so much with this one. This is the Kobo Clara BW black and white version. Not to be confused with the color version. What's that? What's that right here? This will be in another video, so stay tuned. This is the Kobo Clara 2024 model. It is made with recycled plastic. The box looks absolutely fantastic. It is beautifully designed. I like these tears in the box, and it also looks like a real book on the side. It is not textured, but that's just the design. Let's get into it. We usually do an unboxing and review all in one as of late, but this definitely does warrant individual videos because we have to look at everything. We have to see what comes in the box. We have to weigh the devices, and we'll do a first-time boot up, of course. So let's look at the back here. This is really interesting. I'm not sure what they went with here. It almost looks like stone footprints or something like that on the back. It is very textured. Now, the beauty about this is that it doesn't show fingerprints because there's not a lot of surface area that your fingers can actually decide to land on. It is probably if you do over there, so just keep that in mind. This is Rakuten Kobo as well. Rakuten and Kobo have merged way back when. You have this very nice recessed power button right there, very clean on this side, serial number on one side, the other side's clean as well, top is clean as well. Everything happens downstairs, which is just a USB-C. I wonder if there's a status indicator light just under the surface. We do not know. And you do have a non-flush screen and bezel. This is a sunken screen and bezel. Oh, there it is. I think that's it right there. So let's take off this screen protector film here, and we'll do its first time boot up to see what's all going on. But before that, we have to weigh it. So we have our trusty scale here. Please excuse metric, but 99% of countries in the world use metric. So this is just the unit, no screen protector and no case, coming in at 175 grams. So that's really nice. Kobo is a very international friendly company, so they give you a ton of languages. They give you 3 different Chineses, simplified, traditional, and I don't know, maybe Taiwanese script, and you get Turkish and a whole bunch of other ones. What is in the box we have to check out? So you get the Kobo Start Guide, you have the Rakuten Kobo app, and you have some warranty regulatory information, and you have a USB-C cable right here. Pretty good length, and you don't have anything else in the box. That's the entire thing. Now, as a bonus, we're going to show off one more thing. This doesn't come with purchase, but you can get a Kobo Clara color case, and it is also compatible with the BW. I don't know if this slides out. It doesn't look like it does. Oh, it slides out via the sides here. Because the Kobo Clara BW and the color are the exact same unit construction, you can use these interchangeably. So here you have a nice felt inlay, so it's not going to scratch your unit, and you have a very hard plastic that the unit snaps into like that. It's very easy. You close it. It should be sleep cover. Let's see. Okay, it might do some sleep cover when we turn it on, and I really like that. You get this kind of concave beveled edge that has a contrasting black plastic against the red leather that still allows you to touch the power button. Very nice, very good overall package. And this is an origami case as well, so you can bend it every which way, and it can also act as a stand at the back. So if you want to have this on auto page turn, you're able to do that. Let's give you a quick first time boot up, and we'll just skip over all this stuff. At face value, it does look like nothing has changed, which is a positive and negative thing. It's a positive thing because there's no learning curve. You just use it as you always have. But it's a negative thing because nothing has changed in the sense that we've waited a long time for a new Kobo device. But we don't know that conclusively yet because we are going to get into that in the full review. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Kobo Clara BW, one of 3 new releases by the company. Stay tuned for a follow-up video.